Adding Calendly to an HTML website allows visitors to schedule appointments easily. Here's how to do it step by step. Log into Calendly. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to the event type you want to share. Get the embed code. Click on the Share button for the selected event. Choose Add to Website and select your preferred option for embedding, such as inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. Copy the provided HTML embed code. Open your HTML file. Use a code editor to open the HTML file where you want to embed Calendly. This could be your main page or a specific section of your site. Paste the embed code. Locate the spot in your HTML where you want the Calendly widget to appear. Paste the embed code you copied from Calendly into the HTML. Save changes. Save the HTML file after embedding the code. Upload the file. If your website is hosted, upload the updated HTML file to your web server using FTP or your hosting provider's file manager. Test the integration. Visit your website to ensure the Calendly widget appears and functions correctly, allowing visitors to schedule appointments seamlessly.